In this question, we have to find use of chemicals on food. So, chemicals are added into food for their preservation. So, first statement is correct. They also increase appeal of the food. So, they are used enhancing the appeal of food. They also increase nutritive value in them, and hence all of the statements are correct. And correct answer is D. Which given compound can be reduced to zinc and HCl to give corresponding hydrocarbon? So, carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone, aldehyde or ketone on reacting with zinc amalgam and HCl convert carbonyl compound to alkane. Now, this reaction is called Clemmenstiel reduction. So, both aldehyde and ketone can be reduced by this method. Now butane 2-one is the molecule which is having ketonic function group. So this ketone on reacting with zinc amalgam and HCl will reduce carbonyl compound to alkane, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find acetophenone can be prepared by which of the following methods? Number 1, oxidation of 1-phenyl ethanol. Now this molecule is called 1-phenyl ethanol. So when 1-phenyl ethanol is oxidized, it will be converted to CH3 C double bond O pH. So it will give acetophenone as a product. Next, reaction of benzaldehyde. Now this molecule is benzaldehyde PHCHO, and when this molecule is treated with methyl magnesium bromide CH3 MgBr, now CH3 negative will act as nucleophile and donate pair of electrons. Simultaneously carbon electron bonds are shifted, so it will be converted to PH, OH, CH and CH3. So now it will give 1-phenyl ethanol. So B is not correct. Friedel-Crafts reaction of benzene with acetyl chloride. If benzene molecule is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, so it will be converted to acetophenone molecule, so PHCOCH3. So C is correct. Distillation of calcium benzoate. Now pH C double bond O, O Ca, O C double bond O, pH. Now this molecule is calcium benzoate, and calcium benzoate on heating will eliminate calcium carbonate molecule, and after removal of calcium carbonate it will convert it to PHCOPH. So benzophenone is formed as a product, and hence 1 and 3 are correct method for preparation of acetophenone, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find which of the following statement is incorrect. Ethyl bromide react with alcoholic QH to form ethane. Now this is correct. When ethyl bromide is treated with alcoholic KOH, now E2 elimination takes place, and after elimination dehydrohalogenation reaction, ethene is formed as a product. Next, when CH3CH2Br is treated with sodium, now it will give metallic sodium. Now this is example of Woods reaction, and due to Woods reaction it will be converted to butane. So statement given in option B is not correct. Now ethyl bromide, when sodium ethoxide form diether, so CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide on reacting with sodium ethoxide, now this reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism, and it will be converted to diethyl ether. So now C is also correct. In fourth option, when CH3CH2Br is reacted with AgCN, now AgCN is covalent compound, So nitrogen will act as nucleophile and hence it will be converted to ethyl isocyanide, and hence option B is incorrect and correct option is B. Product formed in the following reaction is, now 2-butanol is taken and 2-butanol on reacting with H2SO4. First of all, H2SO4 will be convert alcohol to carbocation. Now carbocation on heating with H2SO4 give alkene via even mechanism. So 2-butene is formed as a product and hence correct answer is A. 2-butene is the major product of the reaction, while 1-butene will be minor product. The compound C in the given sequence of reaction. So first phenol is treated with NaOH. So phenol in presence of NaOH will be converted to phenoxide ion. Now phenoxide ion will act as strong nucleophile and carbon dioxide molecule is present. Now this carbon dioxide molecule will act as electrophile. So nucleophile donate pair of electron, and after donating pair of electron it will be converted to carboxylate anion. Now tautomerism takes place, and after tautomerism it will be converted to salicylic acid, and hence correct answer is D. Salicylic acid is formed as final product of the reaction. Product formed by addition of HCN to ethine. So when ethine CH triple bond CH molecule is treated with hydrogen cyanide in presence of barium cyanide, so it will be converted to CH2 double bond CHCN, and vinyl cyanide is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. Now COOH and OH both function groups are present, but priority of COOH is higher than OH according to IUPAC priority rule. So carbon of COOH is given first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain. Now at fourth position hydroxy group is present. So name of the compound is 4-hydroxy pentanoic acid, and correct option is A. Which is an example of condensation polymer among the following? Now PVC is addition polymer of vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride polymerized to give polyvinyl chloride. Now Dacron or terylene is condensation polymer of terephthalic acid. Now this molecule is terephthalic acid, and when this molecule is treated with ethylene glycol, now condensation reaction takes place, and after condensation reaction it will be converted to Dacron or terylene. Teflon, now Teflon is addition polymer of tetrafluoroethylene. Now this molecule is tetrafluoroethylene. So those molecules which have unsaturation normally give addition polymer, and those molecules in which simple molecule like water, ammonia or alcohol are removed react via condensation polymerization method. Now polystyrene is polymer of styrene molecule. Now this is the monomer of styrene, and it will be converted to polystyrene, and again polystyrene is addition polymer, hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find relation between these two given pair. Now in these two compound, position of CH3 and Br, CH3 and Br is fixed in both the molecule. Only the difference is position of hydrogen and C2H5 is exchanged. In first case hydrogen is present in dash line while C2H5 is present in plane of paper. In next molecule, position of hydrogen and C2H5 is changed. Now hydrogen is present on plane of paper and C2H5 is present in dash line, and if one group are exchanged on chiral carbon, then the new molecule form is enantiomer of the original compound. Hence these two molecules are enantiomer of each other, and hence correct answer is A. Hyperconjugation is best described as. So during hyperconjugation method, carbon hydrogen sigma bond are present in conjugation with unhybridized p orbital. So hyperconjugation is possible in carbocation and in alkenes. Now in both case unhybridized p orbital is present. Now during hyperconjugation, these carbon hydrogen sigma bond electrons are shifted towards unhybridized p orbital. So delocalization of sigma electron into nearby empty p orbital, and hence correct answer is B. What is the use of salol? So now salol is prepared when salicylic acid, now this molecule is salicylic acid, and if salicylic acid is treated with phenol molecule, now esterification reaction takes place. Salicylic acid form ester linkage with phenol, so that it will give phenyl salicylate. Now this molecule is phenyl salicylate, which is commonly known as salol, and salol is normally used as antiseptic, and hence correct answer is A. What is true about insulin? Now insulin is hormone made by pancreas that allows our body to use sugar or carbohydrate in our food. Now insulin is made of polypeptide hormone, which consists of 51 amino acid. Insulin is having two chains, chain A and B. Chain A with 21 amino acid and chain B with 30 amino acid, and hence correct answer is B. It is a polypeptide hormone.